So friends, today we learn about how to highlight an area, hash, or whatever you call it, because sometimes we have a building, we want to highlight the separate areas in different colors to show different flats or different room. So we start it. So I take a multi-line. I have already opened a file here for you. So we can make with multi-line, polyline, sorry. We can draw a boundary around this flat. It's a 2-bedroom hall flat. So we just have to take care for the corners and everywhere. So with this one, the polyline, I have make the boundary around the flat. Now we select it. Now we go to hatch option, select the solid, and you can select any color which you like, and just we have to select this polyline area. So you can see this flat is came in one beautiful color, but you can see our furniture, doors, wall, everything is not shown over there. So just write dr in the dr, and then you can see different options. So apply back b. So you can see now this our hatch is gone back side, and our everything is visible. You can change the color by selecting it this hatching and choosing any color of your choice. So normally we will do it for all. I have done already